everyone, welcome back to Pepcoding. So in this video we are going to start our second question, which is find itinerary from tickets. So what we are given here is we are given number n and 2 into n number of strings that represent a list of n tickets including source and destination. You have to find the itinerary in order using the given list of tickets, and we have to assume that the input list of tickets is not cyclic and there is one ticket from every city except the final destination. So there is a final destination we have to reach. So let's just analyze the input shown here. This is the input. So we are given the 4 things what we are gonna do. This is the source and this is the destination. Like Chennai is the source, then Bangalore is its destination, and Bombay is the source and the destination is Delhi here. Then Goa is the source and the destination is Chennai. Then we have Delhi as the source and Goa is the destination. So yeah, so this is what we have to print, I think. Like what we are having first, we are having Bombay first, then it's going to Delhi, then Goa, then Chennai, then Bangalore. Bangalore is our final destination. Let's see our output. So yeah, Bombay, then we have Bombay, then we have Delhi, then Goa, then Chennai, then Bangalore. Bangalore is the last stop, right? Okay. So let's just see how we can do this. We'll make a hash map of string versus boolean, right? So what we are doing in this hash map is we'll first find the starting point so that we can continue with our locations, right? So first Chennai, let's put it into the string part and let's make it true that it can be the starting point, right? Okay. Then Bangalore come. Bangalore is the destination for Chennai, right? So it can't be a starting point. So make it false. Then we have Bombay. Bombay can be our starting point. So make it true. Then we have Delhi. Delhi is the destination. Make it false. It can't be our starting point. Then we have Goa. Goa is a source, so can be a starting point. Then we have Chennai. Chennai is the destination. Make it false now because it came in the destination part now. Then we have Delhi. Delhi is already false and it is going to the destination Goa. So Goa will be false now. So we got our starting point. This is our starting point, right? So we got our starting point and then we can continue. Like now we know that Bombay is our starting point. Then from Bombay, where are we going? We are going to Delhi, right? Then from Delhi, where we are going? We are going to Goa, right? From Goa, where are we going? We are going to Chennai. Chennai. Then from Chennai, we are going to Bangalore, right? So this is our last destination. So we got our answer. by just finding the starting point. So let's try and code it in Java. Let's start with the code. First, we'll make a hash map of string versus Boolean type, right? Boolean, and give it a name as a potential source. That who can be our potential source, right? And new hash map. Then next we'll start up with a for loop for string source. We'll see in map dot keyset. Okay. Next, we'll find our destination. String is capital here. String destination, which will be equals to map dot get source. Okay. Next, we'll see in potential source, we will put destination comma false. In front of the destination, we'll put false, right? And if potential source dot contains key of source is equal to false, then what will we do? Potential source dot put source comma true, right? Okay. Then after this, we'll make a string source and we'll start up with the loop for string potential source dot keyset. In this loop, we'll set up our value boolean val, which will be equals to potential source dot get potential, and we have if our value is equals to true, then source is equal to potential, and break the loop now, right? So we are done with this. So what is this code doing? Let's take it to our board. So we made a string versus Boolean hash map. So for string source, we are going in this only. If we are making string destination as map.get source, then we are putting the destination as false. So for Chennai, marking it if potential source dot contains key source is equal to false, then let's just do it true, right? Make it true. And now we have Bangalore as destination, so we are putting false. Then we have Bombay as source, make it true. Then we have Delhi as destination, make it false. Then we have Goa. Goa is the source. It can be our potential source, make it true. Then we have Chennai. Now we got our um, destination now, so make it false now. Okay. Bombay is still true. Then we are going from Delhi to Goa. So Goa is false now. Who left? If value is equal to true, source will be equal to potential. So this is our source, right? We got our potential source. Okay. So Bombay is our potential source. Let's move ahead now. After this loop, we'll start a while this is true if map.contains key source equal to true, then let's just print system dot out dot println. We have to just print. We have to print the source, which was the potential, which we got the source, right? Bombay. And then what we are going to do, plus an arrow in the format which we have to provide. So with this key, right? Okay. Next, source will be get updated to map.get source. Okay, next else what we will do, system dot out dot print, it'll print a full stop, and we will break. Right, so what is this code doing? Okay, let's just check it to the board. So if this was all true, then from Bombay source, then we have to put this, and we have to get the next source, which is Delhi. So if this is true now, then we go to Goa. After this, we go to Chennai. After this, we are going to Bangalore. So now we come to the else part, because after Bangalore there is no destination left. We'll print a full stop, right, after Bangalore. So yeah, we got our output. Let's just run this code and see if it's correct or not. Okay, we are getting the correct output. Let's just submit this code and see if it's correct or not. Okay, something wrong. Bangalore. Okay, we are not getting an arrow here, but we don't want an arrow. There is some space issue, right? Let's just give it some space. Okay, now run it. I think now it's correct. Let's just submit this code. Okay, all test cases passed. So I hope I was clear with the concept, and thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.